here at Maho Beach. I think I said that right, St. Martin. We did an excursion for the cruise ship. Actually, turned out to be fun. We're plane watching, plane spotting, I guess you call it. So that's one of the smaller ones that we've seen, but we've actually seen a large American jet, a large JetBlue jet was leaving.
Yeah, about blasted us off.
Yeah, so it's really interesting watching all the people here when the planes actually take off. Landing is a little different. So there's people in swimming suits. We're in shorts and tank tops and t-shirts. You can wear whatever you want here. There is a beach. It's pretty, it's a beach. It's nice. It's not overly big. The water's beautiful. People are just kind of doing their thing. We're out here at the beach,
Here comes one.
plane spotting, and we believe it's a pretty big plane coming overhead. From what I can see with people on their phones and everything, it looks like it's going to be a big one.
Oh. That one actually worried me a little bit.
The first time I in here.